Is really the thing that they
Isa sa inabangan ngayon sa Philippine Boxing na pwedeng mag-world champion itong tubong Mandawi Cebu na si Christian Aranita na may 24 wins at 19 knockouts sa kanyang kartada. Na binansagang bomba dahil sa tulis at lakas ng mga suntok nito. Na-rank number 9 sa pound for pound sa Ring Magazine at number 1 contender naman sa IBF title. Nahawak naman ng champion ang African na si Sivinati Nuchinga. Matapos nakuha ni Aranita ang 19 na panalo dito sa Pilipinas at naging WBO Oriental Light Flyweight Champion at WBC Asian Silver Light Flyweight Champion. Mula dito, nabigyan ito ng pinakamalaking laban sa kanyang karera. Lumipad ang kampo ni Aranita mga tol sa Africa upang harapin itong kinatatakutang African champion, ang tinatawag nilang Special One na si Sivinati Nuchinga na may 100% knockout record na 9 wins, walang talo at 9 knockouts. Kumbaga, pinabagsak nito ang kanyang lahat na kalaban. Sa laban na ito ay sobrang dihado ang Pinoy na si Aranita mga tol, kung saan meron lang itong 5% na chance na manalo kumpara sa 95% ng chance ng champion na si Nuchinga. Lalo na sa baluarte pa nito gaganapin ang laban kung saan kilala na ang lugar na ito na talagang talamak ang dayaan. Tara mga tol, ating panoorin kung paano pinabagsak ni Aranita itong champion na si Nuchinga, kung saan nagulat ang mga fans nito sa kanilang baluarte. Dala ng Pinoy na si Aranita mga tol ang 19 wins, 1 loss at 15 knockouts, habang ang Africa na si Nuchinga naman ay may 9 wins, walang talo na may 9 knockouts sa laban na ginanap sa Boardwalk Casino sa South Africa. Sa mga gustong pumalpak mga tol, nirekomenda po ng inyong lingkod ang legit na betting site, ang 1xBet. May 6,000 bonus agad sa una nyong deposito. Nasa Pilipinas ka man o sa ibang bansa, napakadali lang mag-register. I-click nyo na lang ang link na nasa description at nakapin sa comment section. Gamitin nyo lang ang promo code na LPUNCH upang ma-avail nyo ang 6,000 bonus sa una nyong deposito. Dito pwede kang tumaya sa paborito mong sports gaya ng boxing, PBA, NBA, MPBL at marami pang sports. Dito sa 1xBet mga tol, may 6,000 bonus ka na. Napakadali pang mag-withdraw. Pwede mong gamitin ang GCash, Paymaya, Crypto at dapat maging responsable lang po tayo sa pagbet. Sa pagbungad ng laban mga tol, mainit na kaagad ang palitan ng mga suntok ng dalawang boxers na parehong gustong makakuha ng maagang knockouts.
going right now if you're joining. He's forcing Sivinati to retreat.
Dude, 19 wins, only a single loss.
Dito sa ikatlong round mga tol, ganadong umatake itong si Kabayan at hindi ito natakot sa suntok ng 100% knockout artist na si Nuchinga.
To attack that Christian at Bay.
Lot of good skill.
Now, send us that you comment as boxing.
Not just come to fight.
No doubt you can really see there's a difference between Aranata and Pacquiao.
Filipino legend Manny Pacquiao. Very skillful.
Dito sa kalagitnaan ng laban mga tol, nagsisigawan ang mga boxing fans para sa suporta sa kanilang champion. Ngunit panaiwas nito si Nuchinga mula nang natikman nito ang suntok ng Pinoy.
Piece of art of boxing that into very well placed. This has to make sure that he doesn't wait on the punch and the connects that is the body.
Exit. Go
Not sometimes, often makes a difficult fight when you get two really good guys like this facing each other. It's hard to land.
Exactly.
They're both so skillful.
Exactly. Really that land target.
Speaking of boxing,
It is indeed a champion.
and the art of boxing in the ring tonight from all the fighters really. To be effective. Like that. Oh, 35. Nice.
Mancini said, bring it on, and he brought it on. Yeah. And then it's stalled.
Punches from Araneta.
IBF Junior Flyweight Eliminator 12 Araneta. Please sit, Elizabeth. That's where we at. Facing that to the ocean, but once again, indeed happening that.
Dito sa ikasiyam na round mga tol, tuloy pa rin ang pag-atake ni Araneta na gustong pabagsakin ang champion dahil napakahirap manalo sa lugar na ito pag nauwi sa desisyon ng mga judges ang laban.
Good punches from Araneta. I mean, he's come to win.
Yeah. So if you want to win, that you have to deliver.
Get flustered. And he's a cool cucumber.
Yeah. Once again, that champ, you can really see also his movements, well calculated. He doesn't. The rounds are.
Shinda. Behind it. Toying with his man now. 10, right hand. He's not getting hurt.
We've seen that before. Stick as boxing. Would really not love to hear them do this. Just move that, throw some good punches that are around 9. We're around 10 right now. But Nochinga, his left jab that is working. He's working very hard.
His work rate's very good. His left hand to the body, right hand to the body.
There's absolutely everywhere that in this ring.
He hasn't made it happen. Not going to happen today in South Africa.
Because of that, we shall not be able to deliver.
To land a bomb.
Yeah.
And it doesn't fight though. Yeah, been busy for 12 rounds.
Agresibo si Araneta dito sa final round mga tol na gustong pabagsakin si Nochinga, ngunit panay naman ang takbo at iwas ng kanilang champion.
Wins.
That is this growth in agility. He has been coming since. He has never stopped.
Flat out for 12 rounds.
Oh yes.
Just go. You come to an end.
It is tough. It's really that hunting that they.
Wow, that was incredible.
Mula sa malakidlat na suntok ni Araneta, bumagsak si Nochinga, ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
It is tough. It's really that hunting that they.
He's gone down with 58 seconds to go in the 12th and final round. But he says he's okay.
Yep.
Sabanati's in trouble. 15 seconds to go. And there's been a knockdown. Holding on now, Sabanati.
Gusto na siyang tuluyan ni Kabayan ngunit tumunog na ang bell sa final round.
That's going to go the distance, but he was knocked down in the 12th and final round.
Medyo masaya na ang kampo ni Aranita mga tol dahil sa pagkakaalam nila panalo na ang Pinoy dahil sa maraming patama at pagka-agresibo sa laban at pinabagsak pa nito ang champion sa huling bahagi ng laban. Ngunit parang ibang laban naman ang pinapanood ng mga judges mga tol kung saan pumabor ito lahat sa kanilang champion. Natalo pa sa Aranita mga tol via unanimous decision. Sa inyo namang score sa laban mga tol, pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at suportahan na lang natin sa Aranita sa kanilang paparating na laban ni Nochinga para sa IBF Light Flyweight title.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.